31st May 2022, Tuesday, Day of the Monkey. Best colors to use: all shades of white, whitish, beige, cream of white, dirty white, taupe, floral, stripes, checkered, multicolors. No to colors: green, red, orange, black, blackish. Prosperity Feng Shui. Place an image of monkey or the family of primates if metal is losing, or there is violence with metal as of this year 2022. Point of suggestion is place monkey image or photo of monkey and the primates in the west, southwest, east part going towards east. This will create an additional element of young male metal and will solidify the energies that are volatile and may fluctuate from time to time because of the movement of the earth vis-a-vis rotation and revolution. With this in mind, Sun Mokong, the deity of the monkey, is also best to be placed in the west